In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change picture transparency in PowerPoint using a simple and effective method that gives you full control over how your image looks inside a shape. This is perfect if you're creating presentations, social media slides, marketing content, or professional reports, and you want your images to blend smoothly with text or background elements. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, either create a new blank presentation or open an existing presentation where you want to adjust picture transparency. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group. Inside that group, click on Shapes. You'll now see a drop-down menu with different shape options, such as rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Select the shape you want to use. For most transparency effects, a rectangle works best, especially if you want the image to cover a large area of the slide. After selecting your shape, move your cursor to the slide workspace. Click and drag on the slide to draw the shape. Don't worry too much about the size at first. You can always adjust it. If you need to resize the shape, simply click on it and drag the corner handles inward or outward until it fits exactly how you want it on your slide. Now here's the important part. Right-click directly on the shape you just created. From the menu that appears, click on Format Shape. This will open the Format Shape panel on the right side of your screen. Inside the Format Shape panel, make sure you are under the Fill options, which is usually represented by a paint bucket icon. Then select Picture or Texture Fill. As soon as you click this option, you'll see additional settings appear. Next, click on Insert. A new window will pop up giving you different options for adding your image. Choose from a file, since we're inserting a picture saved on your computer. Browse your folders and select the picture you want to use, for example, a GIF, a photo, or any image file. Once selected, click Insert. Your shape will now be filled with the selected image. At this point, the image will likely appear fully solid, with no transparency applied yet. To change the transparency, stay in the Format Shape panel and look for the Transparency slider under the Fill settings. Simply drag the slider to the right to increase transparency, which makes the image more see-through. Drag it to the left if you want the image to appear more solid. Adjust the slider slowly until you reach the exact transparency level you need. This is especially useful if you want to place text on top of the image and still keep it readable. If needed, you can also adjust the position or offset settings in the same panel to control how the image sits within the shape. This helps if your image looks slightly misaligned or cropped. Once you're happy with the transparency and positioning, simply click anywhere on the slide outside the shape to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed picture transparency in PowerPoint using Shapes and the Picture Fill option. This method gives you much more flexibility compared to inserting a regular image directly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.